In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI to transcribe audio, highlighting its features and providing an overview that will help you get the most out of this tool. To start, you'll need to head over to the Otter AI website. Go to your preferred web browser and type in otter.ai. Once you reach the homepage, you can directly access the platform. If you haven't done so already, you may need to sign up or log in. Creating an account is straightforward and doesn't take more than a few minutes, just requiring some basic information like your email and a password. This will grant you access to all of Otter AI's functionalities. Once you're logged in, your next step is to upload the audio file that you'd like to transcribe. To do this, click on the Browse Files button. This will take you to your device's file explorer where you can select the audio file you wish to convert into text. Remember, Otter AI supports various audio formats, so your file might not need any conversion. As your audio is uploading, you might notice how efficient the system is. It quickly processes audio files, which are then ready for transcription. This feature is incredibly useful for those who are short on time and need transcripts fast, like students or professionals who deal with large volumes of meetings or lectures daily. Once the file is uploaded, Otter AI will begin the transcription process almost immediately. This could take a few minutes, depending on the length of your audio. During this time, you might want to explore some of the features Otter AI offers. For instance, it not only transcribes audio, but also incorporates speaker identification, so you can easily see who says what in your recording, especially handy during meetings with multiple participants. After the transcription is complete, you'll see the text appear on your screen. Otter AI highlights suspected errors and uncertainties in the transcription, allowing you to review and edit these parts for accuracy. Remember, no automatic transcription is perfect, but Otter is significantly accurate, and any corrections usually take minimal effort. With your transcript fully edited and saved, you can export the file. Otter AI provides a variety of export formats, including Word and PDF files, which makes it versatile depending on your needs. Whether you need a straightforward transcription or formatted document, it's flexible enough to accommodate all your requirements. To recap, using Otter AI starts from heading to the website, uploading your audio file, and letting the platform do its magic. With its user-friendly design and efficient transcription capabilities, Otter AI is undoubtedly one of the best tools available today for transcribing audio with accuracy and speed.